we are going to see Jungle Safari, which has been taken from your reader book on page number 32. Before going deep into this chapter, let me ask you one question. Have you ever visited any national park? If you have not visited, Kanha National Park, which is in Madhya Pradesh, is the right park for you to visit. This is the same park which provided a perfect setting for Rudyard Kipling's novel The Jungle Book. Now, Jungle Safari. First, let me explain you what this Jungle Safari means. Jungle is a Hindi word which means forest, which has been adopted in English also. In fact, there are many Hindi words which has now been adopted in English. For example, we say Bandh, B-A-N-D-H, Bandh. We say Sadhu. So all these words are Hindi word which has now been adopted in English. Safari. What does safari means? Safari means to explore. Okay, to go deep into the forest on jeep or any other vehicle, on elephant, on horse, to just have a closer look at the forest is known as safari. Now, in this chapter, the author was very much excited because on the next day, he and his family will go to Kanha National Park. That also on the boat. So he was very much happy. Okay. So in morning, when they were just ready to go in the forest, suddenly they found that the weather was not fine. It was foggy weather and the visibility was very much low. Now they were in confusion whether to go or not go. But the excitement of the author was so high that it compelled his father to go for the journey. So they jumped on the boat and they started the journey. So after some time, they saw that the weather is beginning to be fine. The sun rays fall on the water of the lake and it made the area was made yellowish. That means the rays of the sun filled the area. That added to their happiness. That added, in fact, more to their happiness because the weather beginning to be fine. Now on the lake, they could see the beautiful sight of the park. They could see a number of animals like sambar deer and many other grass-eating animals. Besides, they also saw the footprints of many animals like tigers, elephants, bears, lion, etc. But they were very much scared also because the area was very much scary. It was a forest where only wild animal lives. But though they were very much scared, they were very much excited too, which had given them a lot of strength to go into the forest. Finally, at the end of the journey, they decided just to touch the water of the lake with their feet and just wanted to see the temperature of the lake. When they touched, they found out that the water is cold. And while they were touching and just enjoying, they could see on the other side of the lake, a tiger family came just to drink the water. The author was very happy to see the tiger so close. He felt that those tigers are the member of his own family. The author was a very nature-loving boy. He was very happy to go into the forest. Okay. Finally, he says that this is the most memorable day for me. It was unforgettable day for me because I visited the park, the jungle, that also in a very close manner. Okay. He gave a very nice message to everyone that we should love wild animals, we should love forest. Okay. And if you could love forest, the forest will welcome you. So this is all about this story. I hope it is clear. Nothing much to explain about there. And you can go through this chapter and can find out many difficult words, okay, and can WhatsApp me and ask me the meaning of the word. I'll be very happy to sort out all your problems. So this is all about. I hope the concept is clear. For more details, you can read this chapter and ask me any question if you fallen in trouble. So wait for my next video. I might come with some other videos. Till then, it's goodbye to all.